Here's how to install and use Claude Code in VS Code. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll walk you through the install, show you how to use it, and go over the different editing modes. If this helps, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks. First, go ahead and open VS Code. Then press Command-Shift-X on Mac, or Control-Shift-X on Windows and Linux. This opens the extension sidebar where you can search for and install extensions. In the search bar at the top, type Claude Code. You should see the official extension by Anthropic show up. Click Install and give it a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll notice a spark icon in the top right corner of your editor. That icon only appears when you have a file open, just so you know. If you don't see it right away, just restart VS Code or open the command palette and run Developer Reload Window. Click the spark icon to open the Claude Code panel. The first time you open it, it'll prompt you to sign in. Click on the Claude.ai subscription and click on Open in the dialog box to authorize the extension. Once authorized, go back to VS Code and you're all set. Now you can start chatting with Claude right inside VS Code. Open a project folder and type a question or request in the text box at the bottom of the panel. For example, you could type, "Explain what this class does," or "Help me write a unit test for this file." If you want Claude to look at a specific file, use the @ symbol, followed by the file name, like @app.py. Can you check this file for bugs? Claude will analyze the file and respond with suggestions or explanations. Depending on the mode, and if you specified to fix, when Claude suggests code changes, they show up as inline diffs in your editor, and you can review and accept or reject the edits. In this example, I answered yes to fix the issues and had to accept the edits. Claude Code has 3 editing modes, and you can cycle through them by clicking the Claude text box and pressing Shift-Tab. You'll see the current mode at the bottom of the prompt box and can click that to also cycle through the modes. Ask before edits is the default. Claude shows you a diff and waits for you to approve each change before applying it. Edit automatically applies changes right away without asking. This one is handy when you're doing quick fixes or repetitive tasks. Plan mode is the opposite. Claude won't touch your code at all. Instead, it reads your files and builds a plan showing exactly what it intends to do. You review the plan, adjust it if needed, and then approve it before any code gets written. Pretty useful for bigger refactors or tasks. One more feature worth mentioning. In the bottom right corner of the prompt box, there's a /. Click that. Here you will see a menu with options like attaching a file, switching models, extended thinking, /commands, clearing the convo, and much more. View the options and use them when needed. And that's all you need. Claude Code is set up and ready to go in VS Code. Now you can chat with AI, get code suggestions, and pick the editing mode that fits how you work. Thanks for watching.